This recipe is just as good as everybody says it is. This is one you're going to need to try for Christmas. It's a great sweet treat. It's easy, fast, and delicious. Okay, y'all, for this American old-fashioned recipe from 1970, Christmas crack, you're going to need 1 sleeve of saltine crackers, 1 cup of butter, 1 cup of brown sugar, and since it's Christmas, we're going to use some white chocolate mixed with just a few of the little milk chocolates, and we're going to add some Christmas sprinkles to this one. So let's turn around here, and the first thing you're going to do is melt your butter and your brown sugar together. We're going to preheat our oven to 350 while we get our butter and brown sugar melted together. Okay, we're going to go ahead now and add our cup of sugar. Make sure you use brown sugar. And we're going to let that start melting down. Okay, now we're going to start laying our saltine crackers out. This right here is just a quick little dessert at Christmas that's a staple all through America. And it's been around since the 1970s. And once you start eating it, you just can't stop, y'all. There's one of the ladies at work named Margaret. And for about a month now, she's been talking about this Christmas crack that I made last year. So tomorrow, I'm going to surprise her in the lunchroom and take them lunch ladies some of this homemade Christmas crack that I'm making. But it's going to be a little different this time. We're going to change it up for Christmas. I'll let y'all know what she says about it. And they don't have to be perfect because you're going to break it all up once you get it done anyway. Just take and push them down in your pan so you can make sure they're good and flat. Okay, we're going to zap our white chocolate in the microwave and get it. Okay, now I'm going to zap my white chocolate in the microwave for 30 seconds. Then check it and maybe add another 30 seconds to it. There's our chocolate, and our butter and brown sugar is getting ready too. Just let it come to a good boil and see when it starts changing. Now we're just going to take our brown sugar and butter and pour it right over the top of your saltine crackers. And then we're going to smear that in there real good and try to get all of them coated. You may have to go in there and get you a little bit of that to get on these edges. Put them back in place. Now let's get our chocolate. Now I'm going to take this white chocolate and drizzle over the top just like you would do your chocolate Christmas crack. with the chocolate, milk chocolate. But instead of that, we're using white chocolate. And I am going to put a little bit of milk chocolate, but I wanted the two different colors. Let's make sure we get it all. Now I'm going to add just a few of the milk chocolates. Maybe a little bit more. Now we're going to spread that out, and then we're going to put it in the oven, and we're going to bake it for around 9 to 11 minutes. The oven is set on 350, and it is preheated and ready. Let's get it in the oven, and we're going to bake it. Okay, we're taking the Christmas crack out of the oven. See the brown sugar and the butter bubbling? That's all you got to do to it. And now while it's still hot, I'm going to add my Christmas sprinkles. And just a few more of the chocolate chips. Now we've got to let those chocolate chips melt and let it cool, and then we're going to crack it up. Putting a few little candy Christmas trees on it. Okay, to help it cool down faster, I'm going to stick them in the freezer for about 15 minutes. Okay, now we've got our Christmas crack out of the freezer. I'm going to show y'all how to do it and crack it up the easiest way. I like to take it off the pan. We'll set that pan over there, and then I'm going to put it on this. And then we're just going to take our parchment paper, and to start with, you're just going to fold it over. And just use that paper to lift it with. We're getting it cracked up. Now let's find us something to put it in. Okay, y'all, there's our Christmas crack. I hope y'all give this video a try, and if you do and you like it, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Like, share, and subscribe. Check out all our other videos. We have a lot of different videos. So, thanks for watching.